Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the real science of sustainable morning energy. First off, a huge hello from Metricome. We're using their awesome insights to finally fix that dreaded morning slump. You know the drill. Sugary breakfasts spike your blood sugar fast, but by 10 a.m., total energy crash. The actual problem isn't eating breakfast itself. It's all about breakfast quality and hitting that perfect nutrient balance. See, unlike quick-burning sugar, protein and fiber digest super slowly. They literally act like brakes against energy crashes. Health authorities constantly warn us about hidden sugars in pastries. They just totally wreck your day's energy stability. So, here's the magic formula to remember. Protein plus fiber plus healthy fat equals way steadier energy.
Okay, so how do we actually apply this? Let's look at 3 simple breakfast swaps for busy mornings.
Swap number 1. Ditch the plain sweet cereal. Toss in yogurt and nuts for vital protein and fats.
Swap 2. Trade that fast-digesting white toast and jam for whole grains, eggs, or even some peanut butter.
And swap 3. Instead of a sugary pastry, grab oats and seeds. They give you way steadier daily fuel. But hey, this isn't just for us adults. How can parents use this to maintain their kids' school energy? To keep kids focused at school, simply cut back sweet drinks and bump up whole grains, fruit, and protein.
Quick sugar means a quick crash. Poorly designed breakfasts ruin mornings. So, are you rethinking tomorrow's breakfast yet?